In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your Gmail storage. We'll walk through a simple, built-in way to review what's taking up space and remove anything you don't need right from within Gmail's interface. A quick note about storage before we begin. Your Google storage is shared across Gmail, Drive, and Photos, and when it's full, new emails may bounce or features can feel limited. Doing a quick cleanup now and then keeps things running smoothly and helps you avoid those upgrade prompts. Start by opening Gmail in your web browser and signing into the account you want to manage. Look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your account icon. Click that icon to open the account menu. In this menu, Google shows a snapshot of your storage usage across its services. Find the section labeled Storage and click it. This takes you to Google's storage management page, where you can see how much space you've used and how much is available. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Give it a second to gather your data. On this page, choose the option called Clean Up Space. It's designed to quickly surface items you may want to remove. Scroll to the section near the bottom that says Clean Up by Service. Here, select Gmail. This filters the suggestions so you're only looking at content associated with Gmail. The page will display items that typically consume a lot of space, such as emails with large attachments or old messages you no longer need. If you see files or messages listed, review them carefully. Open anything you're unsure about and confirm that you no longer need it. When you're confident, use the delete option provided on this page to remove the selected items. You may be asked to confirm before the deletion goes through. Take a moment to read any on-screen prompts so you know exactly what will be removed. This helps you avoid deleting something important by accident and keeps your inbox organized and intentional. If, like in the example I'm showing, you don't see any items to delete under Gmail, that simply means there's nothing flagged by Google's tool at the moment. In that case, you're already in good shape and there's nothing else you need to do here. That's the whole process. Open Gmail, click your profile icon, go to Storage, select Clean Up Space, then choose Gmail under Clean Up by Service and delete anything you no longer need. Repeat this quick check occasionally to keep your account healthy and your storage under control.